So one of the proper ways to wrap this cord is called the over-under. And essentially it's just like it sounds. We're gonna go over and then we're gonna go under. So we're gonna take this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do it like this. We're gonna do the over-under. We're gonna pull this stretch of cord out. And when I wrap a cord, sometimes I wrap it small, sometimes I wrap it big. It all depends on the situation. So we're gonna do the over-under. Takes your arm's length, and we're gonna go like this. Down, and we're gonna go up and over. Then we're gonna reach down across this cord under it and bring it right up here like that, okay? And then we're gonna go over, we're gonna go over again, and then we're gonna reach down here, and we're gonna go under like that. See? We're gonna go over, then we're gonna reach down, and we're gonna go under like that. And you're just gonna continue that cord wrap. And then we're gonna try to do another under, but we really can't do that because our cord is wrapped up like this from the previous bad wrapping that was happening. But if you were, we're just gonna continue like this. We're gonna go over, and then we're gonna go under. All right, so we're at the end, and that is basically how we wanna have it. Male plug on this side, female plug on that side. You can wrap a Velcro, a handy wrap, or just throw that on your rack like that and go use it for next time. And it'll be easy for you to use next time. And one of the great things about this technique is when I go to unwrap it, it's gonna all unravel pretty well for me. Check this out. Look at that thing go. As far as I wanted to take it.